Hello, my friends. This is Alan Luke here from Toronto. Chances are, right now you're looking for the FB fan page method by Arthur Tubman as well as Chris Hughes. These guys are awesome marketers. They are, as a matter of fact, they are associates of mine in a program I'm working with, and I'm locking arms with them in this particular program. Guys, Facebook right now is one of the hottest marketing tool online if you guys are already not using it, but in particular fan pages. Not just building fan pages, but how to engage likes and how to get your post in front of massive amount of audience for very, very little cost. Well, this course teaches you exactly how to do that in a very short period of time. You don't have to wait years, but as a matter of fact, all you need is just months or weeks or even days. So guys, check out this product. I fully endorse it. I have it right now on my blog. So click the link below and you will see a full review of this product. This is Aldo Luke signing off, and I'm wishing you success in your marketing. Take care.